This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by signing in. This is where you grant Outlook access to your email and calendar. Enter your Microsoft address and password, and complete two-factor authentication if prompted. Once done, choose whether this is a personal or work account and accept necessary permissions so mail, calendar, and contacts sync. Make sure to select Focused Inbox or Classic View now so your messages display as you prefer. These first steps ensure sync and basic security are established before deeper setup. Next, you shape how Outlook handles email. Create folders and set rules that move newsletters or receipts automatically. This reduces clutter. Once configured, toggle Focused Inbox to prioritize important messages and set swipe actions for quick triage. Then customize the reading pane and conversation view so threads read logically. Don't forget to add a professional signature with contact details and set automatic replies for absences. These detailed middle steps streamline daily use and prevent message overload, saving time later. To finish, verify calendar and contact sync across devices, confirm time zone and notification preferences so alerts arrive correctly. Send a test email to ensure outgoing settings work, and check any linked accounts for delegated access. If mail fails to send or sync, first clear the app cache and restart, then remove and re-add the account, making sure server and security settings match Microsoft recommendations. As a final tip, update the app and check online service status. That often resolves persistent sync or authentication problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.